Hi everyone. To integrate this, we rewrite these questions where numerator is 1, denominator x plus 1, x plus 2 square dx, so that we can see it clearly. Denominator, we have a function here. When we differentiate function, we can't get 1, so formula cannot work. Then we will find for technique of integration. In fraction form, the suitable technique will be express this fraction to be partial fraction. So that's why we take out this fraction. So when you're having x plus 2 squared, means it is a repeating factor here. When you want to express it in partial fraction, we will split according to your factor. The first factor is a linear factor, which is x plus 1. For x plus 2 here, repeating concept, repeating factor. For the first one, we will write x plus 2. And then for the second one will be x plus 2 repeatedly. So it will be x plus 2 squared. Then after that, we will determine whether up here, numerator is a constant or linear. When you have linear factor, numerator will be a constant. So x plus 2 also linear, so numerator constant. For this one, it is a linear factor, so numerator will be a constant c. This is not quadratic factor. So this is just repeating factor with linear form. So inside bracket here, linear, so therefore, up here, numerator will be constant c. Then, we get to the equations here, we multiply with the factor. So for a, we will multiply with x plus 2 squared. So we get same to the denominator, so it will be multiplied with the factor you don't have. For b, will be factor of x plus 1 and another factor x plus 2. So for c, they will multiply with x plus 1. So once we have this equation, we can let to find ABC. So we have 3 unknown, so we need to let it 3 times to find out what's your ABC. So what's the value of x here will be suitable. We take from the roots here. When x equals to negative 2, it will be a suitable value. Then we substitute this negative inside. So here will make us 0, here will make us 0, so remaining term will be here, negative c. So that's why c we get the value of negative 1. Then we continue. Substitute another x value here. So x value here that we can pick here is x negative 1. When we substitute inside, so negative 1 plus 2, we get 1. Here will make us 0 and 0, so therefore we get a equals to 1. Then another value, since we don't have any roots here, any other roots, so we just put random number. Let's say I put 0. So we substitute all the unknown that we know already, which is 1. 0 plus 2 square, 4. Find out b. 0 plus 2. Find out c. Put in your c, negative 1. So 4 minus 1 is negative 3. And then 1 minus 3 will be negative 2. So b will be negative 1. Therefore, we express back our fraction. B negative 1, substitute, and C negative 1. Then we can start integrate. So we are integrate 0 to 1 for 1 over x plus 1 minus 1 over x plus 2 and negative. So since your denominator here is power of 2, we can rewrite it into the power form, which is power of negative 2. It will be more suitable for us to use formula. So this one, when we integrate this, so linear fx at prime x will bring us ln. So also this one ln. So for this one, formula 3, a linear in the bracket, power plus 1 over new power, then upper limit 1, lower limit 0. So ln minus ln, we still can simplify. It will be in the item of division. So negative negative become positive 1 over x plus 2. So after that, we evaluate this limit. We will substitute upper limit minus lower limit. or you want to press calculator, also can. So substitute our limit first, upper limit minus lower limit. So again, ln minus ln, I simplify, or you want to straight away press calculator, or I simplify in terms of ln also can. So 2 over 3 divide 1 over 2, it will be 4 over 3, then 1 over 3 minus 1 over 2, negative 1 over 6. Or you want to put in decimal, so make sure you have more than 3 significant figure. So this one already 3 significant figure enough.